This first section is going to be downhill, so I'm going to hit a top speed. F it. Third gear, full throttle, downhill. New scooter, let's go! I've shown you the Varla Pegasus and I've shown you the Varla Eagle 1. The Varla Eagle 1 has shown me the pavement, and today I will be showing you the Varla Eagle 1 Pro. Varla's most powerful scooter ever. This thing's so new, I don't even think you can buy it just yet. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we're looking at.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah.
This is big. There's no graceful way to do this. This is not my first time unboxing a scooter, and I still haven't figured out how to do it gracefully. And I'm like on the side of the street right now because I have nowhere else to film. So color-wise, this is looking like a beefed up Pegasus. The Eagle 1 was red, the Pegasus was blue, so I'm getting Pegasus vibes. But definitely like 3 levels beefier. It's hot out here, and I'm in a helmet. All right, let's get this thing charged up. Just taking the Sur on to get some breakfast while I charge the Varla. Please ignore the dangling egg rider display. On my way to get breakfast, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway from my dream build video. For those of you that were staying tuned, you'll know I was giving away one of these carbon fiber lids from Flow Carbon. All you have to do is follow Flow Carbon on Instagram and comment that you entered the giveaway. So right now, I'm going to select the winner. Thank you everyone who participated. I'm going to be doing monthly giveaways, and I'm talking bikes, I'm talking scooters, big ticket items, okay, monthly. So this is just getting used to the whole giveaway thing. Let's see who won the carbon fiber giveaway. Oh my God, there are so many scam responses in here. If an account with my profile says that you won, but it doesn't have the verification check, you didn't win. I'm going to announce the winner right now. All right, Honored Alibix, congratulations. You just won a beautiful Flow Carbon fiber lid. I'm gonna respond to you right now. I'm gonna get his delivery address whenever he responds. Congratulations. Also, thank you so much for everybody who participated in the giveaway. And one more time, I'm gonna be doing monthly big ticket giveaways, so stay tuned. Let's get back to it.
Okay. Oh, that's clean, bro.
That's so nice, bro.
Dang.
What is going on here? Breakfast!
Alright, the scoot is still charging up, so I've got some time to kill, and I have so many toys to choose from. But today, I'm going with the crazy cart. I love the crazy cart. It is so fun. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be upgrading this thing, make it go 35 miles an hour. But right now, it's just super fun to drift around the neighborhood. It still goes like 12 miles an hour. 360. Whoa. Okay, the Varla Eagle 1 Pro is fully charged, and before I take it out for the first test ride and possibly hurt myself, I want to take a look at what we've got here. Right off the bat, super simplistic design. I'm a fan of it. First thing I notice are these thick 11-inch wheels front and rear. I love thick wheels. Those are both covered by some fenders. We've got dual suspension and dual brakes, but Varla, this is a Pro model. These should be hydraulic brakes. Instead, you put cable brakes on here. I don't know why. That would probably be my first upgrade on the scooter, because if it's as fast as you say it is, I want hydraulic brakes. It's got this like rubber grip tape as opposed to the standard skateboard grip tape you see on scooters. A really solid locking mechanism up front, and also some nice built-in steering stabilization. It doesn't have the external steering stabilizer like you've seen maybe on the Nanrobot. And that was my biggest complaint, was the kickstand. The kickstand! It doesn't lock all the way out. It only locks perpendicular, so the moment you put it down, it wants to start leaning like that. Not a fan of that kickstand design. And you've got the display front and center, but what really matters is the ride quality, and I've learned the hard way that I should put on some pads, so that's what I'm gonna do, get geared up, and let's go test the scooter out. Moment of truth. If you can't tell, I'm a little scared of scooters, but let's do this. And I'll use one of these tags to turn it on. Bang. I'm gonna start in the lowest gear. Let's go. Oh. Oh. This thing is powerful. This first section is gonna be downhill, so I'm gonna hit a top speed. F it. Third gear, full throttle, downhill. "75 kilometers an hour according to the speedo. There's no way I'm doing that again, even fully geared. That'll make a grown man quiver. There's something about scooters. They feel amazing to ride, but they can go from smooth to sketchy real quick. And this is their pro model, so we're talking 45 miles an hour claimed top speed and 45 miles claimed range, which is 5 miles per hour faster than the Varla Eagle 1 and 5 miles more range than the Varla Eagle 1, which is their flagship model up until this one, the Varla Eagle 1 Pro. Let's see how it turns. Not too shabby. All right, I'm in the third gear, so this is the highest stock power gear. And boy, the dual motor is insane. You've got 1,000 watts front and rear. So this thing just whips. Suspension feels good. The brakes are all right for cable brakes, but they really should be hydros. So this thing goes as fast as a Sur Ronster. Like, let that sink in. You're literally standing on a plank holding these two little handlebars. It's so scary. It's pretty squirrely up front, like, whoa, huh, exactly like that. And that's what sketches me out about scooters, to be honest, is that squirreliness. I'm gonna smoke the cars next to me right now. They don't have a chance. I'm just gonna slide right into traffic right here. Look at that, dual motor, boom, I'm off. I'm already keeping up with the cars, come on. Oh my God. Woo! This is a good speed. Really, there's no reason you would want to go any faster than this. I'm 10 over the speed limit right now, so on a scooter. Great display. I love that it has those little tags to turn the scooter on. That's really a cool feature. I have not seen that before, and I'd personally love one of those on my Sur Ronster. Got the bell. It's all right. I feel like you need a train horn on this because you're on big boy roads when you're riding this. So I know as a fact that if you go into the P settings on this scooter, you can make it faster. And I did that with the Eagle 1 and I ate shit. So I think today I'm gonna leave it on stock power, which, because this is a pro model, it's plenty powerful, plenty. I've already covered so much ground. If I was commuting on this, it's over. You're there. I think one of my biggest complaints with the Varla Eagle 1 was that it was so sensitive on the throttle. Like, you would just barely tap it and it felt like it was gonna slip out from under you. This is much more manageable. It's still incredibly powerful. I mean, it's more powerful, but because it's more controlled, it's nice. I like it. And it's a really weird feeling to be on a big road and be passing cars when you're on a scooter. It feels like a glitch in the Matrix. It's not how the simulation was designed. We're breaking the sim, boys. I'm literally passing a Ram 1500. He's looking at me through the window like, who is that? It's Sur Ronster. Get over it. The throttle response is so nice on the Varla Eagle 1 Pro. Wow, I would really say it's the most noticeable difference from the other Varla models, the Pegasus and the Eagle 1. It's just got some butter. butter throttle response. So really the noticeable differences are the throttle response and the fact that it's just a little bit more powerful and a little bit faster than the Varla Eagle 1. Although if I was blindfolded, it would probably feel about the same as the Varla Eagle 1 in terms of power. But boy, is this throttle response an upgrade. Let's see how fast I can go up this steep hill. Full throttle right now in the highest gear. It's pretty good. This is pretty good. Check it out on YouTube and Instagram. That's all you guys.
Dude, I'm the one who met you with Logan Tanner and the e-bikes.
Yeah, dude, that's me. I'm making a scooter video right now. Time to off-road. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, hill climbs like it's nothing. I mean, it's got street tires, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but wow, this really isn't what it's for, but I mean, it's got the suspension, so damn. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the Varla Eagle 1 Pro. It's fast, it's smooth, it's got fat, thick tires. The range seems to be as claimed. This is probably the best scooter that Varla has come out with. If you're interested in it, there should be some links and probably some discount codes down below, so go check those out. As always, thank you so much for watching. As I do.
Yeah.